Here's a pink eyeshadow tutorial that's wearable for hooded eyes. For this pink eyeshadow look, I'm using the Morphe and Meredith Duxbury palette. It has so many pretty pastels. For the transition color, I'm using this peachy pink color and going in with a big fluffy brush. Make sure to keep it above your natural crease if you have hooded eyes. Now going in with this bright pink color and using a smaller brush and placing that just above the crease. If you have hooded eyes, make sure to do this with your eyes open and then close them so you are bringing the color high enough. I wanted to add in just a little bit of purple, so I went in with this bright purpley color. Is purpley a word? Because I have hooded eyes, I needed to add some depth, so I went in with this Marvelous Mauves palette from Dose of Colors. I'm using a pencil brush. I believe this is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill one, but I'll link a similar one below. I'm adding this just above my crease so I can create some depth. If you have hooded eyes, this is a key tip because you want to make your eyes look less hooded, so you add depth where there isn't any. I'll link some more hooded eye tutorials below. To make sure there's no harsh lines, just use your fluffy brush. Don't add any additional pigment and buff it out. Now for the last color, we're using this pastel purple. Use a flat shader brush. I'll link a few of my favorites in the description. If you have hooded eyes, keep this color below your natural crease, basically below the darker purple color you put on. If you like wearing colorful eyeshadow, what colors would you be interested in seeing next? Comment below. Then using a black eyeshadow on a flat angled brush and pressing that along my lash line. This will just add some definition to your lash line without taking up any space. And then I'm just doing a small wing. I have some in-depth winged liner tutorials for hooded eyes. I'll link those above and below, but check those out. It's great doing winged liner with eyeshadow because it's super easy to clean up if you make a mistake. I'm using some black liner to tightline my upper waterline. This is optional. Everything I'm using will be linked in the description below. Finishing off the lower lash line using the pencil brush and the pink color. And just buffing that along my lash line. Have you learned anything new in this video yet? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm going in with that flat liner brush and pressing the dark purple that I used along the lower lash line. The next step is optional, but I'm going in with a navy blue liner and tightlining my lower lash line or waterline. This is the About Face liner, which I've been loving. My skin was looking a little dry, so I'm just spraying some setting spray on to add a little moisture. Adding some mascara. This is the Rose Ink one. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you've been enjoying these videos and share with anyone that might like this look. Now you have a really pretty pink/purpley eyeshadow look. And you can wear this even if you have hooded eyes. I have so many more hooded eye tutorials on my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell for notifications on new videos. If you want to learn more makeup tips, check out these videos.